Good morning, guys. Printed myself a little toy, or a little puzzle. Spotted somebody making a rather nice one of these out of wood in a YouTube video. And I thought I could 3D print that. So I designed my own. It's a puzzle which I'm going to have to do some work on because those are supposed to fit in the holes and they don't. And they do if I push them a bit, so I can either rub them down a little bit or print them a little bit smaller. We'll have a look in a minute. Well, now that I've got them downstairs and I can put a bit more pressure on them, they do fit, but they are very tight. So I think I might have to rub them down a little bit. I'd rather they were tight than loose, although for practical purposes it may be better for them to be loose. Depends whether you're going to play with them on a table or in the back of the car while somebody's driving. Yeah, I don't know. I might have to wear them in a little bit first. Yeah. Have a think about it. They are definitely a bit tighter than I intended. Yeah, we'll have a look in a minute. I've got to make breakfast now. Right, so these do fit, but they're a little bit tight. So I think what I might do is just put them in here and rub them down a little bit with a bit of sandpaper. Well, you don't need to watch me do that, but I'll do that with all of them. The idea is you have one missing, and then you have to jump the others, take the one out that you've jumped over until you've only got one left. So don't watch any more if you don't want to see it done. If you want to work it out for yourself, Fair warning, I shall start now. If it was a little bit bigger, it'd be easier to move the pieces, but I did it this size so it was a quick print. There we go. I don't know if there's a sequence for doing it that you end up in the hole that you started with. Still, it works. There'll be links in the video description to the Tinkercad files if you want to download it yourself and do it. I was thinking of putting little tops on them, but at this size I think your fingers will be stuck if they're too close together. So I think as it is that size, that's okay. If you expanded it, made it bigger all round, then you could have little caps on the end of here to make them easier to grip. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.